Welcome all, my name is Tawess, and I has a box. Yeah. Now, this is just gonna be a quick unboxing of what is the Elf starter box from Sophie and Toffee, because, well, this is not a new product, nor is it the first time anyone got this, so this is just more a presentation of what you get in this box as of today. I unwrapped it before, so it had my addresses all over it. So, you get a little card containing what the box actually contains, and you get a little silicone mixing cup, which is very nice. A pair of silicone stirrer mixers. And now I must wonder, why are they silicone? That's because silicone is easier to clean. You have the resin, because if you are unfamiliar with what this is a box for resin art. So thin type and regular type. Both are 25 grams. You get some decorations. Get some more decorations from some beads and some hearts and stuff. You get a pouring cup for when you have more large designs. Also some silicone. Much crinkly. Sharp, pointy object. Let's see, yeah. Also very nice, it has some measures on the side, which is nice for when you're mixing self-hardening resin. You get 3 little colors in the primary ones, which is also good because that means you can make most other colors with them. Very considerate. Some companies aren't as considerate. A bunch of bezels, which are very heavy duty. I'm probably going to use them for something. Not right now though, but I have ideas. Oh, I have ideas. You get this, I think it's open to show you. These are hard to see what they are, but they're glass. You know what? That's a silver bag has given up. There are some glass decorations. Very nice. You get a mold. Ooh, it's tacky. This is to be used with a thin film that you got in here, thin plastic that you put over this. See-through plastic, so similar to see-through plastic. You put over this and then you get sort of design that you can move around. You're going to be using this at some point. Oh, you get some. You can play with that one. But yeah, very nice. Nice heavy duty mold. And then of course, since this is UV resin in this case, you get a UV torch. I'm not entirely sure this one actually works. You might need batteries. But it's nice. I don't know if I have these kind of batteries. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think I have these kind of batteries laying around somewhere. So yeah, that is the starter box. It doesn't do much more than that, but that's also because it is, well, as mentioned, a starter box. When we come back, we're going to do a project.
If I miss my mark, just pull me back down where I can feel some comfort in my own head, my voice within. And it can be